Today we're going to make a hearty breakfast pizza. I'm going to start by putting some olive oil in the pan. And then this is on medium high heat, and we're going to be cooking some sausage. And then we're going to take the sausage. We're going to put that right in the pan, and we're going to fry that up. And you could do breakfast for dinner. Who doesn't love breakfast for dinner? Country sausage, that's normally what I cook with, but today it's actually a pork sausage because that's what was at the grocery store. And we're just going to brown this up. I'm preheating the oven to 425 degrees. And I'm going to go ahead and add some country gravy. I'm just going to put the whole can in there. So we get all that in there. And then we're just going to lower it a little bit. Mix it all together. You should drain the grease. I also don't normally cook on one of these. This is the first time I've done it, and I'm glad that I'm trying it with you guys. Okay, so it's basically we just need it to be warm through. And I'm trying to turn it off, not on. Okay. Then after we have it all mixed together, we're going to set it to the side. Now we're going to put on pizza crust. My favorite part. Woohoo! And we're going to take the pizza dough. If I can get it out of the can. There we go. Push that to the side. And we're going to roll this out on a piece of parchment paper that I placed here. I'm using my little tool here to help me to roll it out to make it more even. And the great part about pizza dough, it doesn't always roll out exactly how you want it to, which is why I didn't show you the whole thing. But it's okay, you can break off pieces and, you know, make it one whole piece when you're done. I'm going to add some sausage, the sausage gravy we made. We're going to just spread it on here, spread it all over the place, even it out. That looks good already. It really doesn't, but it will. It will. Okay, now that I got it all how I want it. So now we're going to make some scrambled eggs. I'm going to add I've got 6 eggs in here. So I'm going to add a little milk, about 2 tablespoons. Mix it up and see if I want to add a little more. I'll go for the 3rd tablespoon. Go. So now that I have it all nice and mixed up, I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Let's get my salt here. Or, well, this is pepper. Don't know my seasonings, apparently. And then a little salt. You know, you can season to your taste. We're going to cook our eggs over medium-high heat. I'm going to do some olive oil. You can use butter. Just going to scramble these up real quick. Invisible person off the side. Then when we got our eggs how we want them, nice and fluffy, we can actually add this to the top of our pizza. So we're just going to cook it till it's got a little bit of wetness left because we're going to put it in the oven and it's going to cook more in the oven. So we don't need it to be fully cooked. So now we're going to add the eggs on top. Kind of scatter them around. I need to work out. This pan's heavy. Okay, so we're trying to spread these out, make it even, get some eggs everywhere. Eggs everywhere. And then I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. Just kind of, ooh, that was a little bit much. Kind of sprinkle some on the top. That'll be my husband's part. Just kidding. Sorry, I had to. We're gonna, that's a little bit, that's okay. No big deal. Okay, and now my husband said it was fine that I left the seasoning on there. And now we can add about 1.5 to 2 cups of cheese, depending on how cheesy you want it. Of course, my husband put 2 cups in here. I usually go for 1.5. We're just gonna sprinkle it on. Sprinkle our cares away. Just kidding. Sprinkle cheese on the floor while you're at it. Because I just did that. See, I think that's enough, but he wants me to go for more, don't you? He does. So I'm going to go ahead and go for a little bit more. And we'll do like a compromise. We'll go to like 1 3/4, right? There we go. And then we went with 1/4 of bacon bits. I'm going to sprinkle that all around. Look at how yummy that looks. That looks so good. Now we're going to add some chives, about 1.5 tablespoons. You can add as much or as little as you want, really. You can add it after too if you would like it to be fresh. Look at how lovely that looks. Now we're going to pop it in the oven. I baked it 425 for 15 to 18 minutes, and my son kept saying, "Mommy, that smells so good." It's going to taste that good too. We're going to go ahead and cut a slice out. So I cut out a slice and it looks like this. And you get like 12 pieces, more or less, depending on how big you slice it. And then if you're like my husband, you can add some hot sauce to it and spread it right across like this. Just a few pieces, a few dots, just a few dots. And he can add more if he wants to. And if you remember, I accidentally put more seasoning, but it's just seasoned more with love.
Please like and subscribe for some more excellent content.